안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today I'm making tuna gimbap with garlic chives. It's simple, fresh, and really delicious. So let's get started. First, finely chop a little onion and some garlic chives. In a bowl, mix the tuna with the chopped onion, mayonnaise, Sriracha sauce, and the sugar. Mix everything together. Then divide the tuna mixture into 4 portions. Now let's season the rice. So add the sesame oil, the salt, and the sesame seed to the rice. Mix everything gently. Here, add the chopped garlic chives and mix it again. After that, divide the rice into 4 portions. Place a bamboo mat on the cutting board and put a piece of dried Laver on top with the rough side facing up. Spread 1 portion of rice over about 3/4 of the dried Laver. Add a few grains of rice along the top edge so the roll seals nicely. Then place 1 portion of the tuna mixture across the rice. Roll it up using the mat and gently squeeze it so the roll holds its shape. Lightly brush the outside with a little sesame oil. Then slice it into bite-sized pieces. I like serving this kimbap with a spicy mayo dipping sauce. I didn't show you how to make the sauce in this video, but you can find the full recipe in the description below. And that's it. Simple and delicious tuna garlic chive kimbap. If you are planning a garden this spring, why not try planting some Korean vegetable seed? So please check out all 26 different kinds at my Korean Essence Etsy shop. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye!